Now, if you are going to purchase a plant, and the guidelines in which I can advise you, if you're going to buy a perennial, meaning it comes back every year, a peach tree, an apple tree, a lilac bush, a shrub, try to, if you're in growing zone 4, let's just go with that. Get something that will be hardy enough for growing zone 3, because you're always going to have that one off deal where it's going to get extremely colder than what the average is. So if you've got a plant that is only good to growing zone 5 and you're in growing zone 4, it's probably not going to make it. If you're in growing zone 4 and you've got a plant that's growing zone 3, it's going to make it even on the harshest of winters. So always go one growing zone colder than what you currently are when purchasing perennial plants, so you don't have to replace them. As one garden radio host said, about every 3 to 5 years they have an anomaly, and you got to replace a bunch of plants because it got too cold because you bought for your current growing zone and not one colder.